I'm coming. Can I help you, sir? Hey, my pneumatic box finally came. Hey, man, I really Hey, where'd you...
Flintstones, meet the Flintstones, they're the modern Stone Age family.
Okay, I appreciate it. No, seriously, I appreciate it. Okay, thank you. Hey, I'll see you next month. Hey guys, welcome to Restless Outdoors. I'm here with none other than Mr. Goat. He's going to actually help me open the pneumatic box. Actually, you should have seen the guy that actually came here to deliver this thing. It was freaking crazy, but yeah, dude, seriously. But anyways, guys, we got this. Real quick disclaimer, I did not pay for this pneumatic box. Actually, the subscription company came and contacted me and wanted to offer me a 3-month subscription just to do these kind of videos. So I normally don't do it, but the one thing about this is there's a couple things that kind of like, that made me say, okay. One thing is, whatever you get in this box, there's a 100% satisfaction guarantee that if you don't like it, they'll replace it. And that, to me, is like...
That's a good deal.
That's a good deal. That's a really good deal. So, to me, I'm like, well, you know what? Why not? Especially something like this. Now, I'll be 100% honest, and I'm sure Jeff will agree. I would never, ever buy one of these things just because I'm the type of backpacker that if I want something, I specifically want something. I don't want something that's going to be mysterious and blah, 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 blah.
It is kind of exciting.
It is exciting, though. Yeah, because you don't know what you're going to get. But nonetheless, I think this would be amazing for that first-time backpacker who wants to...
You don't know though, dude, what's in here.
That's the thing, exactly.
So you're saying maybe you don't want to, dude, what if it's like...
I don't know, it could be something cool.
Bomber things, dude, you don't know.
I don't know, it could be, and that's the thing, they give you $50 worth of stuff here, and then they charge you can do a month-to-month subscription, I think it's like $32.95 for this, and then you can do a 6-month or a 12-month, and then that obviously decreases in price, but you have to prepay for that. But nonetheless, like I said, I think this would be an awesome idea for a gift for someone that may be starting.
It's not such a specific prissy
person. Yeah, exactly.
And like, I buy exactly what I want.
Exactly.
And I'm not happy unless I get exactly the thing that I want.
Amen, amen. But nonetheless, let's get this box open here. I don't know if I have a knife here.
Oh, here, dude. Here's mine.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh,
yeah.
Interesting.
My pocket knife.
Oh, okay. So, again, we haven't opened this up, so we're going to get this guy opened up. And what the heck is this thing made out of? Holy. There we go. Okay, cool. That's very, very nice. Okay, guys. Back in the pocket. So, here it is, guys. We're going to open this up, and we'll see. We'll turn it around. Okay.
Boom!
What's inside? Theme.
What is inside? There's
the
a theme?
Mountaineer Collection. So this will give you actually a description of what's actually inside and the value of the merchandise that we have inside of here.
That's cool. Let me see this.
And you can take that. And we have a nomadic challenge. And this is, basically you would take a picture or a photo with one of your best campsite views. The box or an item from the box must be in the photo. Whoa. And then you upload it to Instagram.
Dude,
blah, blah, blah.
Chick.
She is pretty.
Hot chick alert.
It is.
Nice.
Okay. And they also give you a tips thing on the back here. So, and looks like we have a coupon here, but we'll get to that. So, okay, toss that out of here.
That seems okay.
So, I don't know. You want to pull the first thing out and?
Well, dude, there's a Huppy whole food bar.
Interesting.
Bam.
Interesting.
Huppy.
And what about this?
Bar. I don't know.
The Huppy bar? There it is.
It says this nutrient-dense snack is a great quick energy for your adventure.
Okay.
They're gluten, soy, and dairy, GMO, preservative-free.
Interesting.
Kind of cool.
Well,
right?
you know what? I think let's...
There's no shortage of flavor. You can throw it in your pack and hit the road.
Okay, well, let's take a taste test.
Yeah.
Before we want to take. You eat anything yet today or no?
Not well.
All right. Well, I mean, that's kind of what it looks like here. Looks like a
kind of softer granola.
Yeah.
It's okay. I mean,
yeah, looks pretty good.
Pretty, serious. It looks like a lot of
take a look at that.
Grains and nuts and whatever.
And there you go. There.
Right on. Thanks, dude.
Yeah. Cheers. Very nutty.
It's good.
Yeah.
It tastes like, you know.
It's nuts. And something like a squirrel would eat. You know? It's salty though. I'll say that. But
It's not bad.
no, I mean,
I would eat it.
Something
I
like
don't know what it would cost from the store.
well, I think you get a coupon in here too for that. But
Yeah?
but yeah. Oh, you get a 40% coupon. Cool.
Good.
All right.
Happy bar. Okay.
Yeah, I passed the taste test. Next thing, I'll pull this guy out here.
What is
Okay.
that?
So this is the Monkey's Fun and Function, and it looks like it's a compass and a keychain and a thermometer.
Not bad.
So we have, let's see, man, oh man, I need like bifocals here.
You're old.
Yeah, so this is, it's showing about almost 70 degrees in the house, which is accurate. And then the,
Do you keep your house at 70?
no, I think we keep it at like under 70, but that's pretty accurate.
That's good. That's not a bad little piece, right? I mean, everybody could use a compass. Everybody should have a compass.
You know what thing?
Dude, I mean, even with smartphones, GPSs, that stuff goes out, you lose power, you run out of batteries. Good to have. And a thermometer. Hey, you carry a thermometer?
I carry
There you
a
go.
digital one, so I guess that would be good if,
2 in 1.
yeah,
Not bad.
yeah. I'd have to get my compass and
Doesn't
my
weigh very
thermometer.
much.
No, it doesn't weigh much.
Little.
Yep. All right, cool deal. What's the next one?
Some sort of
Oh,
dorky, so...
Torquey.
Oh, it's a doohickey.
Doohickey.
These little serrated edges would be a knife if you wanted to cut string or something, or cheese. And then it's got
Cheese? Cheese? Who's cutting the cheese on the trail?
Lots of guys.
That's
I hear
true.
anybody that eats the Humpty bar.
That's true.
Yeah, a bottle opener. Not bad, dude.
Now we'll show the audience here.
Yeah.
There you go. The doohickey, and it has a little thing. I'll show close-ups of all of these, obviously, like I've been doing here.
Yeah, not bad.
So yeah, bottle opener, certificate. Oh, okay. And it's, I mean, it's made by Night Eyes, so that's a pretty popular brand, I would say. I think I got a couple, like those, what are those carabiners called? They have a specific name for these.
Yeah. They, I got some too for my kayak.
Yeah. The heck is it?
I don't know.
I always forget. Anyways, we'll figure it out. But anyways, that's the Night
Little
Eyes.
multi-tool.
Little multi-tool that you can clip to your. Yeah. Okay, cool.
Useful.
And looks like that is it from there.
So, oh, dude, blue worm.
Blue worms.
Oh, dude.
The Balladio or Balladio. Balladio? How would you pronounce that? Balladio.
Got a
Bellagio.
con tilde over the E.
It does. So that is looks like a 48-in-1 multi-tool or something like that. I don't know. Let's see. So you have, it's
I'm being
like,
serious.
yeah, it weighs.
Yeah, so not so for the backpacker, probably. Good to keep in your car though. Like,
Good to keep in a car, yeah.
You know, because it looks like there's a lot of stuff.
Now this is the mountaineering collection. So maybe guys that climb maybe would find this type of thing useful.
Maybe.
I don't know. Backpacking, absolutely not. But
It's a lot. That thing weighs a lot.
yeah,
I
it
have
weighs.
no idea.
But dude, there's like every tool in this thing. So
it's a Swiss Army knife.
It
dude,
really
with
is.
Pliers.
Yeah, it's
I mean,
like-
look at all that stuff and a screwdriver.
and a screwdriver set and a nice pouch. So
So let me ask you though. So seems kind of redundant. So you have this, which is a nice little tool.
Yeah.
Right. I mean,
That's
you
cool.
got
Yeah, it's lightweight,
screwdriver,
yep.
Knife. Whatever else on there, bottle opener. But then you got a duplicate of all that stuff here, which I have a Swiss Army knife, which is cool.
Yeah.
I don't really carry it, but it stays in my truck. Yeah, so it's a
know.
kind of duplicate.
I don't know. Yeah, I guess you're kind of right. Maybe this is one that you keep in the car and that one you take on the trip.
For sure.
I don't know. So, anyways, guys, that's it. That's the first unopening or unboxing, I should say, of the monthly subscription of the Nomadik box. I want to thank Nomadik Box for getting a hold of me and allowing me to do these unboxings. I think it's gonna be fun. I can't wait to see what's gonna be next month. Hopefully, it's a different theme, maybe more geared towards
Yeah,
backpacking.
Do they come with different themes? You probably didn't say.
Yeah, it didn't say, but yeah. But anyways, guys, again, $32.95 a month. Pick this up for, again, I'm gonna reiterate it again. Get it for someone that maybe is just getting into the outdoors. They don't have all the equipment, so this is kind of cool to maybe get them that subscription to kind of build up what they need. And then obviously, you know, you can use this for car camping too. Obviously, this is not just, you know,
No, this is
backpacking.
fantastic stuff for car camping. That's when you would need a can opener, maybe
Absolutely.
screwdriver set. Sorry, dude.
No, that's okay.
All that stuff.
It's okay.
Dude, and it's like a $50 value, so it's a good deal, right?
Yeah, $50, and for $32.95, and then two, if you put in the checkout box Restless Outdoors, they'll give you an additional 10% off. So that's that's pretty good. Yeah, I mean, well, 10%. Yeah, and that's a pretty good deal.
Like
pretty good.
$3.
$3. Yeah, it's $3. I mean, that could be the price of this. You know, I don't. You could get that for free, right? I mean, almost. Yeah.
Right.
Oh, the whoopee bar is under $3, so you can get the whoopee bar for free. So, but the huppy bar, not whoopee bar. What the hell am I calling it for? So, anyways, guys.
Can't read either.
Listen, hey, I appreciate you helping with this unboxing,
dude.
and
Glad it was here.
yeah,
This is
absolutely.
fun. Now I know.
Now you
I feel
know.
like a weight has been lifted. You've been talking about this box for like 2 weeks. Like,
Yes.
dude, when's it gonna come? When's it gonna come?
Absolutely, absolutely.
And
And it finally came, and like I said, you should have seen the guy that came. It was crazy.
hand delivered. Maybe
was-
that's why it took so long.
Maybe
They gotta
that's-
walk here.
I think
This
that's
comes
why.
From where, California?
I don't know. The guy looked very, I don't know, nomadic. I don't know.
Says right on the
So,
box.
nomadic. So I don't know. Anyways, guys. Okay, listen. We appreciate you watching, and we'll see you soon. Later.
Bye.